What's up, guys? I'm coming to you cold and lonely because I technically wasn't going to do a review of some of this cheaper Chinese stuff that I have here, but I started thinking, you guys never get to see Lagatha. So I'm going to be doing a review of some cheap plastic accents for the front, because Lagatha is completely bone stock and I just want to make it look a little different until I decide what direction I'm going to be going with it. So here comes Hooke Road grill inserts, headlight ring bezel, and turn signal bezel. All right, guys, I thought I would show you what I have here. So Hooke Road is a brand that we've seen on Amazon, and we're trying to do some best budget mods for your Jeep, because we know everybody's, not making the same pace, or some people are on some budgets. And so this is the Hooke Road grill insert. So it'll go in there like that, and these clip on. So there's no tape or anything like that. Then the headlight bezel, also, you can see it has these little clips, so you don't have to tape them in. And then the little turn signal bezel rings. And oh well, it looks like the turn signal bezel has some 3M tape, so hope it's not too cold to get that shit to stick. So I don't know how in depth I need to go with this review. Everybody, if you have a Jeep now, you've seen how to take this grill off. You're gonna pop these 6 little fasteners out, and then you've got a few in here that go into the grill, and you'll just pop those out as well with a flat head. So pretty easy to do. I don't think I'll spend a whole lot of time showing that, but who knows, I may set a tripod up. So I was just gonna film me doing this, but what I've noticed with the headlight rings is there is a right and a left. You see these little turn down places. If you look into the headlight here, you'll see it has it there and there. So you wanna get the side that these match up. So just important to note. Guys, so I'm down to the last one, and I thought I would give you a little peek behind to see how these clip in. So your headlight bezels, you can see those cutout spots there. So that's how you know you have them in the right spot. And then these just clip over. The same goes for these grill inserts. They have these little plastic feet that just clip over to hold them in. So it's actually a pretty neat little setup. So I'll show you how easy it is to install this last one. So you're just gonna push. Well, it's not as easy with the phone, but so yeah, you just push till you feel it seat. And there we go. So that's a pretty cool look, guys. Now I just gotta black out those Jeep emblems, and I'll put the camera back on the tripod and get the others done. So I'm gonna put my clips back in for my grill.
Nothing won't be lost if you try. I'm pretty sure
guys, so I don't know if you could tell, but the turn signal bezels that I ordered are not matte black. So I didn't want to put that shiny with the other stuff. Plus, I actually just ordered some black turn signals. So there was no need to use these. And they're so cheap. I mean, I think it was like 14 bucks for these. I'll leave these. So guys, I know that probably wasn't worth installing or reviewing, but for 30 bucks, I think that completely changed the look of the front of my Jeep. And like I said, once we get this blacked out, the Jeep logo, I think that'll look much better. New fenders are going on soon. I promise I'm not gonna leave Lagatha with all this faded gray shit. We've got door handles coming up. We've got a fender install. Whatever else I can sneak in without the wife knowing. Shit, this is gonna be on YouTube. Never mind. I didn't say that. Thanks for watching, guys.